So after filming the video and sitting down and trying to edit it, I realized that I never actually showed how to put on a zip. I just assumed y'all know, but I guess some of you might not. So I'm just gonna show you how I put on the zips. I have this scrap piece of fabric that I'm going to use, and assuming this is the right side, I'm gonna put right sides together, and I normally pin down the zip so it doesn't move. You can choose not to do that. It might be a mistake. Either way, right sides together, and then you sew down at that point. And of course, if that were sewn, that's how it would look. And again, you touch the other side, same thing, assuming this is the right side. Right sides together. And you sew down. Pretty simple. It's not like you're sewing an invisible zip or anything. That's pretty much it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to put zips on are these jeans. So I put some darts in the jeans because the waist was too big. We did that. And then I also put the pants on and marked the places that I wanted to put the zips on. So that's 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to cut them, mirror the cuts on the other leg, and then we'll put the zips on. Wishing myself best of luck. Second DIY I'm gonna do is involving this shirt. I bought this a long time ago and I cut off the collar because I thought that was cool. Nothing against it, don't really care about that. But I'll probably hem this so it can be clean because I don't like the raw edge anymore. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a zip around the pocket, and then on the opposite side I'm gonna put a zip on the sleeve and on the wrist area. So in order to do this, I have to undo these. So I have a razor blade and I have a pin. So that took a lot longer than I thought, but I finally undid it. In the arm, there's this join, and it's gonna be a lot of work to undo it because it's stitched this way and then that way. So I'm just gonna leave it like that and put the zip in as is. Okay, so I finished sewing the zip around the pocket. That was somewhat difficult. And now I'm going to sew this down.